Design. The Samsung Dex Pad has been retooled from the hockey puck-style dock that would flip open and let you slot the phone into something that exposes the screen of your handset a lot more. This is by design. Instead of the phone being locked away, you can now use it as a touchpad, providing you haven't plugged a mouse into one of the two USB ports on the back. In terms of ports, there's also an HDMI out connector, as well as a USB Type-C connector. However, one thing that has gone is the Ethernet port, presumably as Samsung figured Wi-Fi to be so ubiquitous that it was an unnecessary design extra. Thanks to the change, the dock is also much lighter at 135 grams, meaning if you're carting it around in your bag ready to hot desk it's not going to be as cumbersome. Despite the reduction in weight, the new Dex Pad still has a cooling fan that keeps the phone cool during operation, as despite charging it can still get pretty hot with the processing power needed. Plugging in the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus in our demo was a little tough. The USB-C connector seems to sit a little high so the phone dangled and was a bit loose on the dock, but there was also a security tag on there slightly getting in the way, so we won't pass judgment on that just yet. It's also got a little extra height in case you're one of the many people using a case on your fancy new phone. It's a helpful little extra. In addition to being used for the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus, as mentioned, the Dex Pad will also be backwards compatible with the Galaxy S8 pair and the Galaxy Note 8 too, but not quite yet.